welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and no, this isn't my new mic for these reviews. This is actually the product I'm reviewing today. This is the Conambo Bluetooth wireless headset, sort of a business-oriented headset. Really high-quality product with lots of great features. And this is what I'm going to be reviewing. I'm very excited to talk to you about it because it's an excellent, excellent product. It, as you can see, goes over your ear and fits in your earbud like that. So it fits nice and neat. It does have the longer, slender microphone. What does that do? Well, that gets the mic closer to your mouth. And if the mic is closer to your mouth, then you're going to get better sound just by default versus a microphone that's just on the earbud. Yes, there's a lot of those out there, and they're pretty high quality, but this goes one step further by getting that mic a little bit closer to your mouth so that it can pick up your sound even better. Now, this is a Bluetooth 5.1 headset device. It does have CVC 8.0 noise canceling built into it and is equipped with Qualcomm aptX HD sound for Bluetooth low energy, as well as keeping things in sync. So you've got all the high quality features that you would want in a Bluetooth headset built into this in addition. So they're not relying on just having the longer mic extension for great sound. All the high quality sound engineering has been put into this thing to make sure you're getting the absolute best sound you could ever get and ever want, especially if you're using this for business purposes, which I think this is geared more towards that. Of course, you can use it for listening to music or listening to audiobooks and stuff like that. I've used it for that as well, but it's excellent for talking on the phone as well. Let's talk about some of the other features that it has. There's these little buttons on the back there that you can see, and this allows you to turn it off or on, and it's a physical button, so it's not like a press button, it's a physical button, so tactile feel, easy to just reach back there and do it even when it's on your ear. Then you have your volume up and down button, and up is up and down is down, so intuitive. Also serves as your previous or next button if you're listening to music or something like that. And then you have your mic mute button, and this button also serves as your assistant button, so you can use that to have Google Assistant or Siri and use that when you have this in, call them up, give them commands, and control your phone or make calls or start things just using your voice assistant. So a long press on that, this is a mic mute button if you're just talking on the phone, but a long press on it will call up your assistant. And then down on the bottom here, you have your charging port, and this is USB-C. So again, this is very modern, not using that old school USB, micro USB. Nope, using USB-C. So the newest, best charging. And they do include a short USB to USB-C cord in the box, so you have that to charge as well. On the other side here, well, let's look at this right here first. There's a button right there, if you can see that button, and so that's easy to reach when it's on your ear, and you can use that to answer a call, hang up a call, you can use that to redial, you can also use it to play and pause if you're listening to music or an audiobook or something like that. So very conveniently located there. Looking at the other side, you also have the earbud, and there's 3 different sizes of earbuds, and they include a lot of extras in the box so that you can change that out for the one that fits you best. This part is rubberized, so very soft rubber, very comfortable to wear, and bends so that it can fit any ear. Now this also, you can see the mic adjust up and down, so you can get the placement just right for you, and this also turns. So it's made so that you can wear it on either ear. Yeah, you can wear it on the right ear or your left ear. So, or you can switch it off if you wear it for a certain amount of time and you no longer are comfortable with it, you can switch it off. So that's really cool. Now this bad boy charges in about an hour and a half using that USB-C port. Charges in about an hour and a half, which is great. And you get lots and lots of hours of standby time. It's like over 200 hours of standby time. Last a really long time for listening to music, talking on the phone. Really, really excellent. And I want to show you the case that it comes in. So this is the case that it comes in, and storage case, so it folds neatly and fits in here. And you can carry your spare earbuds over here as well. So again, just kind of fits in your pocket or in your glove compartment, wherever you're going to use it, in your suitcase if you're traveling. Easy to throw in your carry-on luggage. A really nice case to keep this and hold it in and keep it safe until you're ready to use it, which is awesome. Now, as far as the timing goes, you get about 16 hours of talk time on a full charge with this, and about, I think, 18 hours of listening to music or audiobooks and stuff like that using this. But let's say the battery is just about dead. I don't know who would talk that long to run the battery dead without charging, but if you did, you can quick charge this for about 10 or 15 minutes, and that'll give you about 40 to 60 minutes of use out of it. So if you happen to run out and you just needed a little extra time, you could do it that way. So again, you're getting a lot of talk time out of this, a lot of listening time, a lot of standby time, and it's very comfortable, very easy to put on, and very comfortable in your ear, just like that. And you can see it looks good. Like I said, it's very, I would say, very business, very executive looking, but I've also used this walking my dog and carrying a conversation with my mom. And she didn't even know that I was on a headset because the sound was so good. The noise cancellation is really, really excellent. And then I've also used it to listen to audiobook while I was walking my dog. And again, that might not be the time that I would normally use this kind of headset, but I just did because I have it, so why not? And the noise, I mean, the sound is really excellent, very clear. Everything comes through very clear and sounds really, really great. So if you're in the market for something like this, like a single Bluetooth headset, you're going to be making business calls while you're driving or while you're commuting to work, as well as maybe sometimes you want to be able to use it to just listen to music or listen to audiobook or something. It's great. And again, having that assistant, either Siri or Google Assistant, be able to call them up to do stuff on your phone without even taking your phone out of your pocket. Really excellent, excellent feature. All the highest quality sound components that are available today are really thrown into this with the aptX HD and the CVC 8.0. They just did a really, really good job of making a great product. And if you're in the market for this, this is definitely something that I would recommend. Now, I will have a link in the description below to this product on Amazon. You can click that link. You can jump over to Amazon. You can read what other people have said about it and pick one up for yourself. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, feel free to share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, keep up with all my videos, or favorite this playlist if you just want to keep up with future product reviews. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so have a great day.